Welcome back to another video. Today I am at home. I'm about to make some lunch. It is, what is the time? It's 12:15. I'm gonna make some lunch. I'm actually getting the headboard fitted on the bed today, so I'm really hoping that I can show you that later, but let's see how we get on. Let's go and have some lunch together. I haven't had, well, I did have breakfast. I had a banana and I'm starving. Also, let me just show you the mess that I have. I need to clean this up. I've got dishes to do, random plates are out, but let's have a quick look in the fridge and see what I'm gonna have for lunch. We have some leftover spaghetti bolognese from the other night that I'm kind of tempted to have, but part of me wants to wait until dinner and I might be craving this for dinner. I've also got some salmon and veggie bits down here, but I think today we're gonna do the M&S cream of tomato soup with potentially a chicken sandwich of some sort, or maybe I'll try and do another little, oh, that's what we'll do. I'm gonna do a chicken Caesar salad on the side with my cream of tomato soup. Okay, I've just realised that the guy is coming to fit the headboard like in 10 minutes, so I'm probably gonna pause and make lunch after he goes. My dad reckons this is gonna be like a 10-minute job, so, well, not 10 minutes, but like maybe 25 minutes maximum. I don't really want to be eating lunch with him here. Is that a bit weird? So yeah, let's put a hold on lunch and we'll see what the headboard's like. Hopefully I can show you that very shortly. I'm very excited about it. It's gonna be really nice. I feel like the bedroom, I still want to paint all the rooms, but I feel like the bedroom is really getting there. I also picked up the other day those warm light bulbs. You would have seen them already. And I ordered on Amazon, which were supposed to arrive today, but they might arrive a little bit later, some of the paper lanterns that I have got up in here and in the living room. Headboard is on the bed. I had to take a bit of a break from lunch preparation because I had the guy here fitting the bed. He was so lovely. Our chicken Caesar salad is here. It's actually been sitting there for a while. And then here's my tomato soup. I'm about to pour into the bowl. Here we go. Oh my god, this tomato soup is so good. I'm gonna do this one thing at a time. So I'm gonna have the soup first. This looks delish. And then I'm gonna come back for the salad. Yeah, now is the time I'm gonna show you guys the finished bed. Obviously this bedroom needs to be painted. We need to get a proper light fixture. We need some like built-in, not built-in, we need some like shelving and bits and pieces like that. But I'm so excited to show you the bed. It's looking so good. Here we go. This is the bed all put together. This is the wooden base. Then we have the gorgeous mattress. We have my little cushion from Dunelm, which I love. It's actually a draft excluder. We have my big European pillowcases and the headboard. And oh my god, it looks so good. I'm obsessed. I also put up just this temporary paper lampshade in here. We're gonna paint this room, but we just wanted the headboard on because, you know, we wanted it on. I don't know if you can hear the dog barking, but it's quite loud, so sorry about that if you can hear. I'm just sat at the bottom of the bed and I thought, let's just have a quick chat about the Origin mattress. We're obsessed, guys, honestly. You know how much research I was putting in. This was about 8 weeks ago. Before we moved in here, I was doing so much research. I was researching all furniture, to be fair. But one of the big things that I actually asked you guys for a bit of market research was mattresses and what you would recommend. We have a few specifications that I really wanted to get right because it's such a big investment to invest in a bed. A mattress is somewhere you're sleeping, you know, half of your life. You're spending half your life. Is it half your life? You're spending a lot of time in your bed, and I just wanted that hotel bed feeling. And I've tried to recreate that with the sheets, with the mattress, with the whole feel. I just wanted to get into bed and feel like I could sleep here and be comfortable. I love a soft mattress, and Matt really wanted like a firm. We're very different. He runs really hot and I run really cold. Not really cold or really hot, but like he runs hot, I run cold. He likes a firm mattress and I like a soft mattress. So getting that balance right between the two of us was proving quite tricky. I did so much research. I spoke to you guys about it, and then Origin really kindly reached out and said they wanted to gift us a mattress. So this is a part of a collaboration with Origin. They've gifted us a mattress and I'm telling you guys about it. So these mattresses are designed in Germany, which I think is just a stamp of approval. Things that are designed in Germany work well. It also has cooling qualities, which means that the fabrics and the materials that are used are going to keep your body temperature regulated. It's not going to get too hot or too cold. Cool enough for your body to sleep in at night, which is what we need because Matt bloody warms the bed up a lot. So it's got hexagrid technology and the coil spring, so you really feel like you're jumping into a super soft, comfortable, but still supportive mattress. It's also hypoallergenic and has zero motion technology. So when Matt's getting up in the middle of the night, my poor boyfriend who has to get up multiple times in the night to go to the toilet or to get some water, he's definitely just a light sleeper that needs to get up in the night. He will often get out of bed and I'll wake up or I'll feel the mattress move and it'll wake me up. Since we've moved into this new house and had this new mattress, I'm not waking up in the night. I don't feel when he gets out of the bed. The coils are super quiet as well, which I just find wild. Like you can't hear that there's actually springs in there. The materials are high quality. You can just tell that it's a really well made mattress. And Origin are really kindly offering £20 discount to anyone that follows the link in my description box. Thank you so much to Origin for collaborating with me on this portion of the video by gifting us this gorgeous mattress. We are so grateful. We absolutely love it. Thank you.
Or the economy. I am Isabella Rossellini, and in each episode of This Is Not a Beauty Podcast, I uncover stories.
3/4 of American adults are now obese or overweight, and there's been growing concern among politicians.
Been doing a little bit of cleaning up, as you probably would have seen a minute ago, and I'm filling up some water. I'm gonna just make a really quick and easy dinner for me and Matt. We're gonna use some of this really nice Fiorelli pasta. Let me show you the shapes. These kind of shapes, I love these, and the pasta is just a really nice consistency. And then I'm just gonna heat up the bolognese that Matt made for us the other night. We've got about this much left and neither of us are that hungry, so we're just gonna have a quick and easy leftovers dinner tonight basically. I'm probably gonna cut up some basil and put some basil and parmesan on top, which I think will be quite nice, and we're gonna sit and watch TV and chill together. I'm all tucked up in bed. I'm just waiting for Matt to come up. We're going to watch a little bit of Black Doves in bed before we have an early night. It's like not even 9 o'clock yet, but we're both exhausted. Dinner was delicious. I feel like with spaghetti bolognese, every time you heat it, not every time you heat it, when you leave it in the fridge for a bit and then reheat it, it always tastes absolutely delicious the second time. So yeah, that was good. And then we just chilled all night on the sofa pretty much. We watched one episode of Black Dove earlier. I'm going to watch another one now, and I'm going to sign off this vlog here. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you for the next one tomorrow. Bye.